Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls In. I'm going to do a little unboxing of the new Powerbeats Pro 2. Never thought I'd be a Beats guy, but you know what? I do love my music and I am looking forward to getting out of the house and doing some good um, cycling and getting, scootering around. So I love having my music when I do that kind of stuff. Can't wait to get active outside. And this looks like a pretty cool thing. Now, Beats obviously famously partnered up with Apple, doing a lot of those devices. And you'll see in the back here, it's made for iPhone, but works with Android. So there's a lot of features on here that may not work exactly as intended because I'm going to use an Android device. So I might not get all the features out of it, like Siri integration. It's not going to work with a Google Assistant or Gemini, but it will work. It will have apparently some heart rate, heart monitoring, heart rate measuring. Um, so yeah, look, first let's take a look at this. Is $350. So compared to like Pixel Buds, almost double the price. So we'll see what we get out of it. So brand new. I love the orange color actually. I don't know what it is lately. I like orange. Into my Pixel Watch case. Okay, let's hold that up there. So nice, very colorful pillbox sort of look to it. That's huge compared to Pixel Buds, but what's kind of nice is that it has those loopy ear thingies. Um, like my kid likes to have those. Instead of it sitting in your ear the entire time, you can rest it, not having to worry about your ear. And you can see it's got a ton of extra options for the little cup pieces, which is really good because actually my wife really was mentioning that she has issues with even some that come with just three, too big for her ear. So that'll be neat. Might let her try this out. So let's see. Open this up. I was going to want to connect something, and I'm sure if I had an iPhone somewhere, it would automatically start trying to connect to it. Okay, so we got those. Got a basically a little USB-C in the back there. Charge it up. Will it charge on QI? Yep, does QI charging. I wonder if it'll do magnet. It's got magnets, so it does work with MagSafe. So that's pretty neat. Okay, let's take one of these out here. I'm using my Pixel 9 Pro here right now, so I'm gonna try to test it up. So there's the little doohickeys for it to sort of connect in there, make so it knows it's charging. All right, so those are the metal plates. We have a button. Feels like a volume rocker on each. I wonder if they have like gesture controls. Oh, that nice magnet holds it in there. Same thing this guy here. So it's got a little rocker for on either. But you can't take this on or off. It's going to be with the ear loops or not. And then I'm assuming that's a little reset button there. Hold that down and reset it. Okay, so I'm going to give this a try. Looking forward to giving it out. Here are the Beats quality sound. 45 hours of battery with include the case. And we'll try this up and let you guys know what I think. If you have any questions, please feel free. Thanks.